Hey everybody, welcome back to Ramdomness. Today, we're going to surprise the kids with a puppy. They've been asking for a puppy for Christmas forever, but I think this is like the third year now, so I only did it and got a puppy. We went out today and looked for puppies and then came home with one, so we're going to give it to them a little early. We're going to go ahead and surprise them with it and see what their reaction is. So let's go get started. What is it?
Is this a puppy treat?
Yes.
Oh!
Did you get Dallas?
Oh,
This by the whitey.
you don't like those? Why?
You don't like those?
What'd you get, Riley? Her face, she's doing what you're doing.
Yeah.
This is a treat for a dog. This is not a cookie. You want to switch? It's a baby.
You like
It's
it,
a
Riley?
baby puppy, Dallas. You want to pet it?
You like the puppy, Riley?
I work with
You want to give her a treat already? No.
Not yet.
What do you think about your puppy? You gonna go hold it? Or go pet her?
take your head. Take your head. Is it for fat?
Mm-hmm.
Fat?
You want her to lick you? Look.
Look my head. Lift it. Yeah. Can you look my head? So onion.
How do you feel about your new puppy? Do you like your new puppy?
No puppy. No puppy.
She's fine. What's her name?
Puddles.
Puddles? So what do you think about the puppy, Alex?
I'm so excited. I've wanted a puppy for so long.
So when you're gonna get an early Christmas present, what do you think it was gonna be?
I thought maybe like, I don't know. I really don't know.
This is the second year in a row that you guys get your
Christmas present early.
yeah.
Oh no, I love it so much. Because I love
Is that her
her
freeze?
so much. Puppy stuff.
You want to carry her, Dallas?
I love you and you.
I love you. Do you want to hold her? Hi, Puddles.
How you Hey, Puddle, look at me. If you finish off your food, I will serve you a treat. Okay, Puddle? Okay? Okay?
We got the perfect puppy.